The Kodava Samaja of Bengaluru is like an Ironmani for about 40,000 Kodavas of Bengaluru. It has become a common meeting place for the Kodavas from different parts of Bengaluru. The Kailpod, Puthari and Kaveri Sankramana festivals draw a huge gathering every year. There is stiff competition among Kodavas to receive awards and felicitations from the Bengaluru Kodava Samaja. For all their achievements, be it in education, sports or any other field, during Kailpod celebrations every year. Bengaluru Kodava Samaja, earlier called as Coorg Association, which had just about 30 members in the year 1911, today has 10,000 plus registered members.